Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 1 of my 14-day fall cleaning challenge. I decided that I will post a video every day for the next 14 days, and for every day I will include at least one deep cleaning task. I don't like deep cleaning everything in one setting, so I divided all of my deep cleaning tasks in 2 weeks so it's easier for me. Tell me in the comments if you do the same or you deep clean everything in 1 or 2 days. My goal here with this challenge is to get our house in order before the holiday season, and we can do it together. Today I started as usual by making our bed and starting a load of laundry. I try to do that every morning so that these clothes are dry by the end of the day. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and I make cleaning videos here on my channel. My goal here is to motivate you to clean your home with me, sharing tips and tricks, and most importantly, I want to build a community where we can motivate and inspire each other. So if you want to join, subscribe and comment down below so we can get to know each other. Now I'm cleaning the kitchen, washing dishes, cleaning the counters and the stove, just some everyday stuff that I need to take care of before I move along to my deep cleaning project, so stay tuned for that. And here we are, my first deep cleaning task is cleaning the fridge. I decided to do that first because we currently don't have much food in here, so it's easier to clean now than later when there will be a lot of stuff to move around. I'm just taking everything out first so I can wipe down everything properly. I try to keep our fridge pretty clean because that is not the thing I really enjoy doing, so I like to stay on top of that, at least most of the time. Now that everything is back in and organized, I will clean the table again and wipe down the outside of the fridge. I still didn't find the stainless steel cleaner that I really like, so if you're from Europe and you have some good recommendations, leave them in the comments down below. I would be very happy to try out your suggestions. Now I'm going to sweep and mop the floor in here. For mopping, I currently use dish soap and hot water. I've been using a hardwood cleaner, but I ran out and now I can't find it anymore, so I guess I will have to try a different one.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down?
Do you guys enjoy mopping? Because I love it. It's one of my favorite chores. I just love to see how shiny the floors are after.
If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose.
Now I'm moving into the living room, which I will tidy up and clean the coffee table. I also have some laundry to fold and I will also mop in here. And that is everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like or a comment, and also please consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've been planning this challenge for a few weeks now and I'm so happy I'm finally starting it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!